Revan here, and welcome to another tutorial. In this less than 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we have two objects, and what we want to do is clip the pattern inside the circle. What is important is that the object where you want to clip it in is on top of it. So in this case, the circle is below the pattern, so it doesn't gonna work. So how do you fix that? Well, you select the circle, right click on it. If you go to arrange, you can have bring to front. Shortcut for it is Command or Control plus Shift plus the right bracket key. So Command or Control, Shift, right bracket key, and it's on top of it. Right, so now the next step is actually clip the pattern inside the circle. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, select both things. So you select the circle, hold Shift, and select the pattern. The two ways of doing this, first of all, is go to Object and go to Clipping Mask and Make. Shortcut, I'm a big fan of shortcuts, is Command or Control 7. So Command or Control 7, and it's clipped inside it. As you can see, the color of the circle is just vanished, like vanish action. So we're gonna bring that back. If you go to the layers panel on the right, you can see there's a clip group. If you open that up, you can still see the ellipse, the circle, and the pattern. If you select the circle by clicking the dot at the back over here, you select it, and you can bring the colors back. And here we go. So this is pretty much what you want. If you still want to edit the pattern, you can just select on it, and you can just resize it. You can just move it around, and that's what you do. If, for example, you want to add another thing in the clip group, you could just select the clip group. You can, for example, make a rectangle right over here, change the color to, let's say, red, and you just move the layer inside the clip group, and that's it. We kept it well under 2 minutes. This is how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator.